Hello everyone, welcome back to Quang MKT, where marketing meets automation. In this video, I'm gonna show you how important the proxy is when you guys using the automation tool. So now let's get to the point. So first of all, we should know what is proxy. A proxy or proxy server is an intermediary server between your device and the internet. When you access a website through a proxy, your request first goes to the proxy, and then the proxy sends it to the target website. And how it works. For example, you are the user and you send a request to the Google, right? The proxy receives the request and forward it to Google, and the Google responds. Then the proxy receives the response and send it back to you. As a result, Google only sees the proxy's IP address, not your real IP. And the main purposes of using a proxy: first of all, anonymity and security. Hide your real IP address and avoid tracking or being locked. Secondly, bypass geo restrictions. Use a US proxy to access content limited to the US, and even if you are in Vietnam. What else? Marketing and automation. You can use multiple proxies to run many Facebook, TikTok, or Shopee's, YouTube, Twitter accounts without IP conflicts. And we also use it, and it also used in auto seeding, auto posting, or auto commanding software to act like multi-real users. What's more, the performance of access control. Companies use proxies to filter, monitor, or speed up interval web traffic. And the common type of the proxy will be the HTTP proxy. It is the manual lever. It is used for web browsing, okay? And the SOC S5 proxy was for all types of traffic, web, apps, games, and so on. And with a high anonymity level, as well as the residential proxy and the data center proxy. Also the two one. The first one is real IPs from home networks, looks like real users and with a very high anonymity. And contrary that the data center proxy, that is the IPs from data center, is cheap, fast, but easier to detect, and of course lower anonymity. So with the Facebook automation tool, we also need the proxy, okay? And we can see the proxy manager here. We have the static proxy manager as well as the dynamic proxy configuration, and you also see the proxy history, okay? So in this video, I will focus on the main, that is the static proxy manager, okay? And you can see it. I have some proxy here. I have 5 proxy, and this is my OIP and the number of profiles that I use assign the proxy to. The protocol support, as I have mentioned, the HTTP proxy, okay? And it is a static proxy. What is a static proxy? Meaning it is stable, okay? Unchanged, okay? And the proxy is from Vietnam and all alive, okay? So look at the account management. We have a lot of, for example, I have a total 19, okay? And do you think we can log in all of these accounts just only with the Wi-Fi? No, and your account will be suspended. Okay? And we need to assign the proxy, okay? So first of all, let's do all. After you add the proxy here, you see add the proxy on a new line and select the format, the username, password, hot port username and password, or even hot port only, and you add. And after you add, you will have the list over here, and you stick to choose all of them, and you check the proxy. First of all, to check it if the status is live or died, okay? And then you go to the assign proxy and look at over here. Well, the proxy, you guys can shoot all the secret, all the category, okay? All the category to use, all the category to be assigned. And this is all the accounts, okay? I will choose all of them. For example, I will choose of them, and I will press assign, okay? And you can see over here, the proxies are assigned. For example, with the first one, it will stick into this proxy, use the proxy to log in and to interact, to seeding, to command, to likes, okay? And the same with other one, okay? The same with others. And it will random. Aside, okay? And with 5, for example, if you have 5 proxy, For example, one proxy will be, and basically one proxy will be used for 1 or 2 accounts. So if you assign 3, it is okay. But if you assign 4 accounts for one proxy, run simultaneously with one proxy with one HTTP protocol, it will easily suspended or risky to your accounts. Okay, so 1 or 2 or 3 accounts for one proxy, that is okay. Oh yeah, and now let's check again. And now we can press, and now we can stick all of this box and log in. And it's easy, right? Now you know about the proxies. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quang MPT for more tutorial every week. See you in the next video.